everyone.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. My name is Morris. What's your name?
Marco.
Introduce yourself, baby. What's your Matthew? Yes. And today we're gonna go and cook one quick recipe for our dinner. All right. We're going to cook bistek.
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 In our bistek, we're going to use this nice beef. Our first step, let's cut our beef and let's marinate it with some lemon, some soy sauce. All right?
Alright.
Marco, can you put some sauce? Toyo't calamansi. How do you say this in Tagalog? Toyo. Toyo.
Toyo.
Toyo.
Toyo.
And then let's put some pepper.
The
Go.
pepper. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Let's add our lemon.
No. I want.
Okay. You too, Matthew. It's actually very easy, you know? È molto facile, vero? It's very easy.
Yes.
Now, let's cut our beef, okay?
Wow.
Wow.
Yes.
So as you can see, we have a combination of meat and fat. Just stripes like this.
Daddy,
Uh,
that's here?
yes, we will put it here.
Yes.
You know how to use knife?
Do.
Slowly, like this. Be careful.
Be careful.
Yeah,
It is dangerous.
dangerous.
Oops.
Right, Kuya Marco?
Oops.
Now let's put it here, okay?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Piano. Slowly. Okay.
Lagpa dentro.
Yes. Yes. Mix it slowly. Now we're going to put this in the fridge for at least an hour just to absorb the flavor from the soy sauce, and it's gonna be very, very delicious, okay? Now let's cut our onions.
Oh, yes.
Slice it,
Uh-huh.
okay?
What if I do.
We're using 2 onions, 1 red and 1 white. Okay.
Okay.
Grazie. Okay, now here is our beef, yung karne natin.
I want this.
And later, we'll cook this one with this, okay? So, I will add garlic. Let's add some garlic. Can you take some garlic there? Bravo, Matthew! What's this? Garlic. In Tagalog, bawang. Bawang. So, we're gonna use 3 cloves of garlic. First, let's do this. Yes. Okay, take off the skin. Can you say balat? Balatan natin, balatan. Yes. Slice our garlic. Okay, now I'm going to use this pan. So, you can use some normal vegetable oil or some olive oil.
I'm scared.
Add our garlic. Masarap ba to? Masarap? Can you say masarap?
Sarap.
Saute with our onions. Let's wait until the aroma would be really nice. Kaway si pa, Matthew? Ito, Marco? So let's wait until our onions will be translucent. So in that case, it will be more sweeter than it is. You like it?
Yes, I like it. But
What? It's good. It's time to put or to add our beef. The sauce, let's add it later. So let it boil and then until our beef is cooked. So, medyo luto na yung ating beef. Let's add our sauce. Who wants to add our sauce? While reducing our sauce, I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. Salt. Okay, so now it's time to plate our bistek. Okay?
I'm scared to squeak.
Wow.
Wow, lemona.
Abona. Okay, let's try our beef. Our bistek.
I wanna try. I wanna try.
Okay, here. Sarap? Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you like our dinner cooking session. And it's very simple. I hope you're gonna do it also in your kitchen. So it's time to say goodbye. Let's say goodbye to everyone. Bye! Paalam! See you!
Mona.
What are you doing?